Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Vishnu Charan. I'm here with my new video after many days. Our motherly nature given us the wonderful subject called Ayurveda, the subject which deals with healthy way of life, next diseases, treatments and medicines. Ayurveda can be compared with mother. We can call motherly Ayurveda because mother is such a wonderful creation by God, or the incarnation of the God as mother, which is the best in taking care of every individual of their own sons. As such is Ayurveda, which will take care of us. Ayurveda guides us what to eat, what not to eat. Ayurveda guides our conduct, what to do and what not to do, because that may affect our mental health, that may lead to any sort of genetical disorders in future or the forthcoming generations. As such, Ayurveda takes care before getting in any disease. Ayurveda wants all of us to be healthy forever without getting any disease. That is why hitahitam sukham dukkham ayustasya hitahitam manam cha taccha etroktam ayurvedah savutyate. Ayurveda is nothing but incarnation of our motherly nature as a goddess of healing. This is what our ancient sages documented in their valuable texts and named it as Ayurveda rather than Ayurvedya. This is not Ayurvedya Shastra, this is Ayurveda. Veda means encyclopedia. And here the healthiness and conservation of the healthiness is the primary aim to be achieved. Thank you.